The answer is true. D's not guilty of either burglary or larceny. Let's use the same analysis as we did in People versus Brown, our boy who took the bicycle. Here D is not guilty of either burglary or larceny because he lacks the mens rea for either offense. But here it's for a different reason. In Brown, you'll remember, he didn't have the intent to permanently deprive because he was only taking the property temporarily. Here, D doesn't have the intent to permanently deprive for a different reason. Here, D doesn't have the intent to permanently deprive because he's operating under a claim of right. His defense would be B under this Model Penal Code section. He honestly believed he was entitled to the property. And if he honestly believed he was entitled to the property, then the mens rea of intent to permanently deprive has been eliminated and there's no larceny. Well, what about the burglary charge? Here, the need for specific intent to commit a felony is critical. If we've decided there's no specific intent to commit a larceny, then I bet you understand already what happens. The burglary charge has to fail as well because there's no intent to commit a felony. We always follow the thread of the mens rea through both crimes. We need the same mens rea, and if it's missing for one, it's going to be missing for the other. This doesn't mean that our defendant isn't guilty of any crime. It's just not a crime that we cover in this class. He's probably guilty of criminal trespass for having entered the home of another. But as for burglary and larceny, the two crimes we do cover in this class, he's not guilty.